Introducing the DGL523 Dewalt Lighted Tool Backpack. Large back pads provide extra comfort for hands-free tool transport. Base pads on the bottom of the backpack help reduce wear and abrasion. The DGL523 features an adjustable LED light that can easily be directed at your work area or into the backpack to help identify tools and parts. With 3 levels of light output, the LED light allows adjustment for wide area illumination or close-up work. Padded carrying handles provide comfortable and convenient transport. 48 multi-use pockets inside with a total of 57 pockets help you to organize your tools. The DGL523 Dewalt Lighted Tool Backpack. Guaranteed tough.
CLC's 1134 Deluxe Tool Backpack, featuring 2 large zippered compartments that reveal 36 pockets to easily hold a variety of tools and accessories. A large adjustable exterior pocket sits on the outside of the bag, along with an additional 8 pockets on the front and both sides of the bag. A multitude of pockets allow you to organize all your equipment, and the fold-down motion gives you easy access to all the tools you need when working on site. Hands-free capability allows you to maneuver around your work area. Base pads are located at the bottom of the bag to help reduce wear and tear, while the carrying handle is padded, allowing you to easily and comfortably move your bag around your workstation. And when the work is done, easily zip up and put the bag on. It offers an adjustable sternum strap and adjustable shoulder straps that are padded and slip resistant. The 1134 Deluxe Tool Backpack by CLC.
After 30 years as the industry leader, CLC continues our legacy of hard-working products. Let's take a closer look at our 1132 heavy-duty ballistic poly backpack. Carry your tools hands-free. 5 compartments hold everything you need. The 1132 accommodates up to a 14-piece wrench set, plus drills, extension cords, pliers, screwdrivers, and much more. Convenient, dual, padded handles. It's easy to grab the bag as you move around the worksite. The shoulder straps are also padded and adjustable. Constructed of heavy-duty ballistic poly, this bag will last, even in the most demanding work environments. The best products, the best value. CLC. Think outside the toolbox.
Introducing the Dewalt DGCL530 Lighted USB Charging Tool Backpack by CLC. This innovative product is designed for functionality and convenience. What truly sets this backpack apart is its built-in USB charging battery dock that allows a Dewalt 20-volt max lithium-ion battery to charge your personal electronic devices. You can charge up to 2 devices simultaneously. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, notebook, camera, or GoPro, the internal charging compartments offer protection while you power up. Perhaps the most unique feature of all is the integrated powerful 200-lumen LED light system, with 2 settings for wide illumination or close-up work, all powered by the Dewalt 20-volt max lithium-ion battery. Its adjustable steel neck can maneuver to light the inside of the bag and its contents. The padded web carrying handles, adjustable shoulder straps, and large back pads make carrying easier and more comfortable. The base pad feet help fight against abrasion and keep your bag dry on wet surfaces. This backpack's multiple pockets inside and outside allow for storage of tools and belongings of all shapes and sizes. Look no further. The future of work backpacks has arrived with the Dewalt lighted USB charging backpack by CLC. Dewalt guaranteed tough.
As an electrician, plumber, technician, or general handyman, you can pay more money, but you can't get better quality or more features than with the Rugged Tools Worksite Tool Backpack. With maximum storage capacity and 68 places to organize your gear, you'll be ready for whatever the job takes. There are 30 internal tool pockets, 29 utility organizers, 4 zippered pockets, 2 side pockets, and an external clip and utility strap that can be used for standard or specialty tools. The main compartment is even large enough for your power tools and extension cords. The zippered panel opens wide for easy access and are secured with double heavy-duty metal zippers. Built for technology, the bag includes a padded laptop sleeve and a USB port to easily charge your phone and electronics on the go. Even loaded up, the Rugged Tools tool backpacks are comfortable to carry to and from any job site. The air mesh padded back and backpack straps are contoured to offer maximum padding and air ventilation, keeping your back cool and comfortable and your hands free. The engineered solid molded bottom keeps your bag upright and your tools within reach, even in the toughest worksite conditions. Cut from a premium load-bearing 1680 denier treated state-of-the-art material, this backpack will outlast the rest. If you or someone you know needs a world-class solution, the Rugged Tools Worksite Tool Backpack will exceed your expectations.
Introducing the Dewalt DGC530 tool backpack with integrated 20-volt USB charging system. This one-of-a-kind backpack is built and designed for comfort and convenience. Powered by a Dewalt 20-volt max lithium-ion battery. The integrated charging system is capable of charging 2 USB-compatible devices simultaneously. The 3 internal wall pockets fit a wide range of gadgets, from smartphones and tablets to small laptops with USB-C input. The 3 large exterior utility pockets are great for hauling gear, while multiple internal pockets provide safe storage for tools, accessories, and much more. The padded adjustable shoulder straps and padded back keep you comfortable while carrying the backpack. Power up and stay prepared with DeWalt 20-volt max charging system tool backpack. DeWalt guaranteed tough.